Hi guys, it's Amelia from Taipec. I'm going to show you guys today how to cook tapioca pearls. To cook tapioca pearls, you need to know that the ratio is 1 to 10. And so today I'm going to be cooking 200 grams of tapioca pearls, which means I'm going to need 2 litres of water. Now with the boiling water, you're going to pour it into a big pot. And then turn it on max heat. Now it's time to measure out the tapioca pearls. Now, once our water's boiling, we're going to pour the tapioca pearls in. You're not going to put the lid on, you're going to put it to the side. So once you can see the tapioca pearls have risen, or you can see that the water is boiling once again, feel free to turn down the heat halfway and give it a stir. Now set your timer for 20 minutes. Make sure you stir your tapioca pearls every 5 to 7 minutes. Now we're going to put the lid on, turn off the heat, and let this rest for 20 minutes. Now it's time to strain the tapioca pearls. Now you should rinse the tapioca pearls underneath cold water until they are cold to the touch. So now you're going to want to pour the tapioca pearls into a bowl. Now you can either add a scoop of hazelnut syrup or a brown sugar syrup to the tapioca pearls. Now mix well before serving. Time for a taste. Chewy. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to look at our other how to make bubble tea videos.